This is the next question on probability we got. It states that Sophia and Jack will each choose one of the 10 integers from 1 to 10. What is the probability that neither integer chosen will be square of the other? And we are given 0.64, 0.72, 0.81, 0.90, 0.95. Okay, so let us understand this question. There are 10 numbers. Okay, and we have two people, Sophia and Jack. Now, Sophia can choose a number in 10 possible ways. Similarly, Jack can choose a number from the given set in 10 possible ways. So the total number of ways that we call total outcomes for Jack, or I would say for Sophia and Jack, is going to be 10 multiplied with 10, which is nothing but 100. Okay, so if I were to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now this is, say, Sophia, this is Jack. So they are selecting, and these are the outcomes. If Sophia chooses 1 and Jack chooses 1, now Sophia can choose 2, Jack can still choose 1. Sophia chooses 3, Jack can still choose 1. Sophia chooses 4, Jack 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, and 10, 1. So clearly you can see these two individuals are allowed to make the choice, and these are the outcomes we are getting. For Jack choosing just 1 for all the choices that he's been exposed to, while Sophia is choosing different numbers. At the first time she chooses 1, and then 2 and 3 and 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we need to go up to 10 rows, right? So that's the reason I wrote 10 times 10. So 100 outcomes would be resulting. Now, what the question wants us is that when they make the choice and when we record the outcome, one number's square should not produce the other number. Now, clearly in this case, if I take 1 here, I square 1, I get 1. So this number should not form part of the outcome. So we need to remove this. Now similarly, if I were to write the outcome when Jack is choosing 2 and Sophia is choosing 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. So that would be in this following fashion: 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10, 2. So clearly, if you were to observe this, 2 squared, if when Jack has a number 2, that's his choice, I square the number 2, I'm getting 4, which apparently is Sophia's choice. So this has to fall out. We do not want this. So if I were to record all such numbers, I would also land up one number over here where Jack is recording 3 and Sophia is recording 9. So this has to come out. Okay. And anything else? 5. So, and one more information also. We need to bring it out, or I would say take it out. When Sophia has got a choice 2 and over here, right? Sophia is selecting the number 2 and Jack has a number 4. 2 squared gives us 4. So all these things should be removed. So these choices should come out. So what are those? 1, 1, and then 2, 4, 4, 2, and then 9, 3, and one more thing, 3, 9 also, right? When Jack is choosing 3, Sophia can choose 9. When Jack is choosing 9, Sophia can choose 3. So 3 squared will give us 9. So we need to bring out all these things. We need to remove this. So the favorable outcomes should be from 100, we remove 5, which is going to be 95. Therefore, the probability, or I would say the required probability, is equal to favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. So favorable is 95, the total is 100, so 0.95. So what it means? What is the meaning of this? Let us interpret this. The probability that the selected numbers from Jack and Sophia is not how do we put this? Is not an integer that is square of the other, is 0.95. Okay, so 95% of the times the selected number will not be resulting in one number being the square of the other. That is the interpretation. Thank you, everybody. We move on to the next question.